Discover the secret behind to be a dead ringer. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind a very intriguing phrase, to be a dead ringer. Have you ever heard someone use this expression and wondered what on earth they meant? Well, you're in the right place. Let's explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your conversations. To be a dead ringer is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone or something that looks extremely similar to another person or thing. When you say someone is a dead ringer for someone else, you're saying they look so alike that it's almost eerie. It's important to note that this phrase is often used to refer to appearance, but it can also extend to sounding or acting very similarly. The phrase, to be a dead ringer, has a fascinating history that dates back to the late 19th century. The term, ringer, was originally used in horse racing circles to describe a horse substituted for another of similar appearance in order to deceive the bookies or the betting public. The word, dead, in this context means exact or precise, so a dead ringer was an exact duplicate designed to deceive. Over time, the phrase transcended its origins in the world of gambling and horse racing, broadening to its current use in everyday English to describe any two entities that are remarkably alike. Now that you know what it means and where it comes from, let's see how you can incorporate to be a dead ringer into your daily conversations or writing. Here are a few examples. Have you seen the new guy in the office? He's a dead ringer for Chris Hemsworth. This generic brand of cookies is a dead ringer for the ones made by that famous bakery. I thought I saw my friend at the mall, but it was just someone who was a dead ringer for her. Using this phrase can add a layer of vividness and intrigue to your stories or descriptions, making your language more engaging and expressive. There you have it, folks. Now you know all about the phrase, to be a dead ringer, what it means, its origins, and how to use it effectively in conversation. It's a fun and useful expression that can help you describe resemblances with a bit of flair. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're excited to add to be a dead ringer to your English language toolkit. Don't forget to practice, and as always, happy learning. See you in the next video.